What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Maha, and this channel is geared more towards this Infiniti Q50 3.7 2015 premium build I have going on right now. If you haven't seen my last install I did with this chrome trim for the front grille, go check that out. So today, as you can tell by the title, we're doing a simple install for these eyelids. As you can see, I do have that infamous yellowing problem on the top of the headlights where the eyebrow is right here. So we're gonna do a slight temporary fix and just cover it with the carbon fiber. I will get this redone when I do the blacked out housing, so that's gonna have to come off and put a bone. I don't know if I'm gonna put the eyebrow back on when I do that, but we'll see how it looks. But for right now, that's gonna be a temporary little fix. But yeah, man, so it should be a pretty simple, easy install. So let's get to it. And if you haven't noticed, I did recently install this front lip. It is the one-piece one. Seen too many complaints about the three-piece, the cheaper three-piece lip that been flying off, and not even hitting it, just like wind itself just rips it off. So I didn't want to do all that, so I got the one piece, I believe it's polyurethane or poly something, but it is a poly lip, so it's a little bit more flexible. So even if wind or it hits or something, it should be able to bend rather than crack or snap if you get the regular ABS one. But yeah, so I did do this. I did not install this myself. I had my boy who installed the front bumper for me install that, because I did not want that to fly off. So he had the shop. He works at a dealer. So all he had to do was put on the lift, and then he just ran those screws up in there. He said he did put a lot of screws just to make sure it's not going anywhere. But I had it about 2 or 3 weeks now so far, and it's holding up good. Did not paint it. That is the actual paint color that comes in the unpainted finish. I thought it was gonna start turning yellow or whatever, but it's still keeping a decent shine. So as long as you keep it clean, it should be alright. But yeah, so that's a nice quick little update on that lip. I mean, you should be able to install it yourself if you got a jack and all the tools. But again, I just wanted to be safe. I wanted him to install that for me real quick. Everything else I should be able to handle myself. Yeah, other than that, let's get this install going. Now, these are the eyelids. I was kind of scared because the box came kind of small, so I was like, wait, hold up, is this gonna be like just only part of the eyelid or the top of the headlight? But nah, it covers the whole headlight. It's a nice finish. So we're gonna slap this on. Should be a quick little install, 10-15 minute install. I just got a longest part probably just to lay the tape.
Maha on the beat. Maha on the beat. Maha on the beat.
Alright, so this is how I did the first one. Use the thicker one on the edges here, the longer edges, and then when you get really to the corner here, this is when I use the one that they provided, the skinnier one. Water on the corners here. Over here I still use the regular one. Yeah, as long as you get the edges close to the edge as possible, run it. You're right. So let's get the second one done, and then clean up the headlights and get it slapped up. Alright, there we go. We got both of them on. Again, run it on the edges. Same thing with every other install I got. Make sure you get close to the edge as possible, so you're not getting that, you know, that lift that looks like it's lifted when you do lay it down. But yeah, man, as close to the edge as possible. Close. Here. Again, it's not perfect, but and again, that's why I use the thinner one that they sent. That's what that is good for, in my opinion. It's those small spots that you can't get with the or actually you don't want to waste the thicker 3M, so you can use that thinner one to get those small little spots right there. But yeah, man, so now we're just gonna slowly get it installed. This is why I always tell you to clean before you install anything. Look at all that, and that's just the top of the headlight. Now all that dirt I got in between the 3M and thing, and over time, maybe instantly, I need to first take it for like 8 miles per hour on the freaking highway. It'll blow right off because the dirt got in between the tape and the headlight itself. So clean as much as possible, man, until this freaking thing is clean, is like still white. So keep flipping, white, and then get it on there, right? If you ain't got a heat gun, go with Steve Mob's freaking a hair dryer. Use it on the low setting, leave it on the high setting. Heat up the headlight itself, not too hot, it's enough warm, and then heat up this itself so you could get the 3M to hit properly to the actual eyelid, and then get it installed.
Maha on the beat. Maha on the beat. Maha on the beat.
lose sunlight, but you gotta get it on, man. So this is how she's looking. I was scared it was gonna look a little bit more tacky, a little bit more feminine, but it actually makes the headlights look just a little bit more aggressive. Not gonna lie. Walk over this light gone. To the side there. Again, fitting on these is actually perfect. Comes very, very close to the edge here. Close to the edge here. Again, just take your time. Make sure you apply a good amount of pressure. Make sure you get the headlights, because a lot of people ask if they do, in fact, cover that LED strip on the top. And as you can see, they do not. And from the top there. That should look, mean. But yeah, man. So again, thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna put a little B-roll at the end here so y'all can see and get a better look at how it actually looks on the car. But yeah, man. So again, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. With that being said, my name is Maha. This is my Infiniti 3.7 Q50 build. See y'all in the next video, and I'm out. Peace.
Maha on the